Welcome to our tutorial about detached drawings. After you've finished your drawing, and let's say you want to email it to someone, you're able to detach it from the drawing. You do this by going to File, Save As. Under Save As Type, you choose Detached Drawing. Let's give it a different name. I'm going to call it B41-D. Notice that the detached drawing and the drawing have the same file extension. Let's click Save. Now let's close our drawing and our model. Go back to File, Open. We've got the option to load model down below. Let's leave it unchecked and click Open. The icons here on the side indicate that we're working with a detached drawing. Let's close our drawing, and we'll open our model next. Open. Let's make some changes to the model. Oops. Let's close that. I need to open my part. There we go. Open. Okay. Right-click, Edit Sketch. And let's change it to 40 millimeters. OK. Exit the sketch and let's save the document. And close. Now let's go back and open my detached drawing. Select it and click Open. We get a warning from SOLIDWORKS. The sheets contain drawing views which are out of date with their external models. Let's click OK. Notice the hole here is still 20 millimeters in diameter. Let's right-click on View. Select Load Model. SOLIDWORKS let me know that loading the model might be a lengthy operation. Let's click Yes. As you see, the drawing is updated. We'll close and save. Now let's reopen our drawing again. Open. And everything looks fine now. I'm able to reattach my drawing to the model if I want to. This time, if I want to do that, I would select Save as a regular drawing rather than as a detached drawing. Rename the file and click Save. Loading the model might be a lengthy operation. Yes, I do want to continue. Let's close the drawing and let's go back to the Open dialog window. Let's click Open. And this concludes our tutorial about detached drawings.